Hey, welcome and thank you for being here. Corned beef sandwich for lunch or dinner? Your choice. Mine will be for lunch. You know, I cannot call it Reuben sandwich. Why? Well, I don't want to use the right bread. And I cannot call them a pastrami sandwich because I don't smoke the meat. I did it in the oven. Hey, I got something to show you. Super exciting about bread. This is the start of the dish. For that reason, I don't use rye today. I find this bread is Italian bread. Let me show you. I'm so excited. It smells from the bag. It's delicious. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this bread. Look at this. Look at this work. Can you see the air bubbles around? Look at that. Can you see it? Listen, the person that make, or people that make this bread, they are artists. Before I go to bed, I put in my corned beef. I follow the directions on the back, on the oven, 250. I sleep 5-6 hours, no more than that. If you sleep more than that, I don't recommend you do that. When you wake up in the morning, you put it off, and the corned beef will be done. Today, I see in the market at $2.50 a pound. It really is a very good buy. I'm gonna use open fire today. I'm gonna use my camping or outdoor stove that I use, very small, very portable. Cast iron is working on. Gonna be ready in a minute. So, what I like to do in my sandwich, I'm gonna spread some mayonnaise over this side, not much, and I'm gonna add it that way. Cheese, normally coming with Swiss cheese, but I'm going to use a Gruyere, fresh mozzarella cheese, because I like the gooey of the mozzarella. So I'm gonna shred it, the Gruyere, and I'm gonna cut a slice for the mozzarella. And I think it's done. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside for a minute. I'm gonna flip. A little bit of oil. Oh, burning hot. Pumping hot. And, I'm gonna add my corned beef, which gonna fall apart. And I think, yeah, that is enough for my sandwich. And I'm gonna flip it. It is. Now that I turn it over there, I'm gonna add the cheese. This is very fast process. A little bit of Gruyere cheese, and now I'm gonna add the other final slices of my corned beef sandwich, and I'm gonna flip this again. The mozzarella cheese. And a little bit of more of this cheese. A little bit of water. Be careful with the oil, always. And this is done. Look at that. And I'm gonna put it on the top of the bread. I like to use the sauerkraut room temperature. And it's not even cold. Why? So I got two different temperatures on my sandwich. And I'm gonna add in this one some banana peppers. They are not too spicy, but I like it. A little bit of mustard. I put the cover. Pluck. Let's cut this baby. And let's see how it looks like. There you have it, a corned beef sandwich for lunch or dinner. If you like to see my barbecue corned beef and cabbage, you can click in there and you can see the video. You will enjoy it a lot. It's very good. Please subscribe. It's important, the button in there, and hit the bell so you got notifications when I make a new video. I am Chef Gustavo. This is Chef Barbecue. I'm gonna try this before we go. I'm gonna stop eating it. What a great sandwich. Oops. I like what we do, Joanne. You're a vegan. It's good for me.